Since he fitted up the exhaust the last time, we got this radiator. We're about to test fit real quick. Yeah, we're just doing test fitting today, because yeah.
So loud, I don't know how it is.
But
There's a little nick in here that we have to make, but
it might not have to.
It might not be the case. So
Slide.
I imagine it's got 4.
Yeah.
Just slide it down and we'll see. Now, question. We putting
am I aligned there?
nah up a little bit.
You're gonna have to come up and back that way a little. But I think that's a headlight hole.
That's a headlight hole?
I think that's a headlight hole.
No. Headlights are on. It's got 4. Headlights got 4. They're not even.
Oh, okay. So
that's radiator. It's got 4 on the original
hey,
one.
go to you, Jaime. We're about an inch off, quarter inch.
No, you're on this side.
He's
it's
right.
good?
He's on.
So this one's off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because he's dead on Jaime's side.
Uh-oh.
That's weird.
Send it back. Are you putting fans on? We might have a room issue. How?
I mean, it was made for this swap.
Okay.
It's made for this swap. See, actually, I think it's
Question is, are they push fans or pull fans?
it should be on the
On
this
that,
side.
yeah. Okay, so they're pull fans. All right.
Well, that's a great question. I mean, I don't think.
They're slims.
Let's-
Can you tell?
It's on how you wire them.
So those look like push, because the 2 of them ain't gonna fit in here. This is gonna be back here. So now we need to slide one down there and see what it looks like. Slide it over this way and go down with it. Yeah. Okay. That's gonna be close. No, that's kind of close to me. This. See, pull it to you a little bit. Let me see something.
It's not,
Yeah, it's not even lining up with this hole over here.
I want to see it, but there's one below too.
Yeah, it's not lining up with any of them. On your side, it does. Because there's something. What's this?
You know what?
Oh,
my bad. Because, yeah, I think the original rad.
Yeah.
These are the original radiators. This is small
Yeah.
radiator.
Way small,
Correct.
yeah.
I'm gonna pull this up out of the way real quick.
I think that's what they nick
Yeah.
for it to. It's just right here and
Yeah.
right here.
So now my side lines up. Right here. Look at this. Now that lines up.
Yeah, that might truly be a hole
For the headlight?
Yeah, but for some reason.
Hold on, let me set my. So set yours right in there.
Right there.
Yeah, mine ain't. It's like quarter inch off.
I'm just talking here. I don't really know.
A little bit of trimming involved.
There might be.
It might
So,
not be here,
yeah.
but it was some.
Bring it up. Let me see something. So this is all I can go right here because this is here. Oh, there you go. Got one powered. Can you switch polarity on it?
Yeah, I just did. I mean,
All right. Switch it around.
It's nice to be sitting right there. It's nice to be sitting.
Yeah. Yep. Hold. What the hell would we plug these into?
see what's in this.
Fan 1, fan 2.
This is the fan control relays.
Yeah. So pretty much, it's just wiring this into the circuit somewhere. Yeah. Since we fitted up the radiator, but we did decide to go ahead and cut these off. So all the way around, both sides, and then this on the inside. And we don't have to cut the top like some people have done to theirs. So trimming this off, then putting a I don't know what you call it, like the stuff you put on car door jams, you know, to help not have a rough edge. But I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this taped up and cut, so you see that in the next video. We get the radiator actually bolted in, and then the fans put in and wired up. You know, thanks to Wiring Specialties, getting the harness. So, hey, just gonna keep pushing forward with this. So appreciate y'all watching always, and please, if you guys don't mind helping support the channel, getting some merch, decals, and you know, just even commenting, thumbs up, it really helps. And catch you in the next video.